Hey guys, Axer Tech here for another video, and today we're going to be talking about how you can disable the updates from, specifically in this case we're going to be looking at Samsung devices, but I believe there are apps available for more than just the Samsung devices, but specifically today we're looking at how you can stop all of the updates that are being prompted on your Samsung device. So if you've seen updates like this coming through, whether it's from T-Mobile or whoever your carrier is, or if it's an unlocked device, when you get prompted for those updates, there's a number of reasons you might want to not go forward with those updates. There could be concerns with bugs with that new update, whether it's battery drain issues, things of that nature, if there's some other reason that you don't want to update, whatever the case might be. One of the things that has recently happened is Samsung has been pushing these updates, and a lot of other carriers do this as well, and a lot of other manufacturers, but specifically Samsung recently has been enforcing them, so you can't really opt out of the update. The most recent update that I got was going to install automatically, and the only thing it can really do is just postpone it. So if you want to prevent these kinds of updates from coming through, so if you look at my notifications here, you can kind of see what I have going on. I don't have any prompts to update my system here, even though I do have an update available. So I'm going to show you what I did. All you need to do is go into the Play Store. If you search for Package Disabler, it'll come up, but if you also search for the name of the app, it's CCSWE App Manager, and you can see here for Samsung. Now I will put a link in the description to another channel who I got sort of this idea from. The app that he had mentioned, I'm not sure, he might be making another video on this as well, but the app that he had mentioned got taken down, I believe, or is no longer functioning, at least for me. So this particular method is working as of the time that I'll be posting this video. But what this app does, it basically allows you to go in and you can disable packages. So when you open the app for the first time, once you've installed it, I'll go ahead and click on no. I don't want to mess with my battery saving here. Now you will have to purchase the separate application that is a part of it here, so it's like a $3 charge, then a single dollar charge, so it's not that expensive. So this will be something you can use long term. You can use this on any Samsung device to disable the updates. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the launch option here. Okay, and you can see that I already have my two items that I already made modifications to, but just to show you here, if I click on one of these, so this particular one, software update, there was two of them here. This one I just went ahead and clicked on the three dots in the top right hand corner, and I clicked on the disable option. You can see it's red because it's disabled right now. If I go back, same thing here. Any of these software update applications that come up, go in, click on the dots, click on the disable option. Once you've disabled those, what you're going to notice is that if you then go into your settings, software update is available, and I can click on this and it takes me nowhere. And if I scroll down here, there is a option down here usually that would say update your system. That now has disappeared because I've disabled the package that is related to those updates. So you can follow these steps. It is working as of today. And again, I will put a link in the description here to the other YouTube channel where I kind of got this idea from. Again, he just used a separate app, but same concept. He may also be posting a similar video to this one, but I just wanted to get this out there since I just had this fix available for anyone that was asking questions. And I saw that there were some forums online where they were asking kind of how to do this now that some of those apps have been taken down. So it's, again, if I go in here, CCSWE, and if I search for it in the store here, so there is a app that you can download from them which requires a root, but it looks like right now specifically the app that this developer has is for Samsung devices. Again, if you just typed in package disabler, there's a lot of other apps out there that you can use to do the same process if you're using a non-Samsung Galaxy device. Or Samsung device, but I wanted to make this video because specifically Samsung devices are a little bit different. Not all the apps that work for other Android devices will work on Samsung devices, and this is actually the only app that I was able to get to work on newer Samsung devices to be able to disable those updates. So hopefully this video was helpful for you guys. Again, just want to make this because there was a recent update out where I saw a lot of bugs. The OneUI 3.0 A lot of good news and positives about it, but I did hear some issues with some things being taken away, like the ability to hide the hole punch, camera cutout, different little things like that, which, because the phone's working well for me right now, I didn't really feel like it made sense to upgrade yet and risk potentially running into issues. Try this out, guys. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment below. That's it for this video, guys. Just one quick comment. If you'd like to support the channel, I'll always leave Amazon links in the description. In this case, since this is for Samsung devices, I'll leave my Amazon link in the description just to check out some really cool accessories for Samsung Galaxy devices. Even if you don't buy anything, definitely check the link out. It definitely helps to support my channel, so I appreciate that. And then otherwise, guys, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.